So today I'm going to show you how to create a no frizz curly hair look that'll be perfect for date night. And a special thanks to Dyson for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. So to create this date night look, I will be using Dyson's Supersonic hair dryer. The one thing that I love about this blow dryer is the handle, it's nice and long, making it easier for me to grip. Another thing that I like is this nozzle here is nice and small, making it not so top heavy. So it's nice and light. The hair dryer comes with these 3 attachments: a diffuser, which is really cool, a smoothing nozzle, and a styling concentrator. To get the look that I'm gonna be creating today, I'm gonna use the diffuser. One thing that's really cool about these attachments is they're magnetic, so it just kind of clicks on, just like that. What's really cool is you can get this special edition box at Sephora or Sephora.com, and you can store the Dyson in this really cool red box. This is great for traveling or just keeping it organized. So what's really cool about this is the ultra fast drying, right? It's gonna dry my hair really fast, which is something that I love because I have 2 kids, and when I'm getting ready, nobody wants to be in the bathroom for hours getting ready, right? It's ultra fast drying because of the power and not the heat, which is important. We don't want too much heat on our hair, right? Because that'll damage our hair. All right, so I'm just gonna turn this on. Oh wow, it really is drying my hair really fast. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Wait a minute, look at how fast my hair just dried. This is insane. This side is almost dry. You can see how this side is longer because I haven't hit it with the Dyson yet. But now you can see how my curls shrink too when they dry. But that's insane! And this is due to the power of the dryer and not the heat, which is what we want because we don't want to damage our hair. You guys, this is a high-tech diffuser. And what I mean by that is this diffuser actually mimics the natural hair drying process, making and creating less frizz and awesome curls. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, my hair dried so fast, so quick, and not only that, it has such great volume. You guys, I have curly hair, but this hair dryer is for all hair types. So I know that this hair dryer is a little pricey, right? It's a luxury, but I think that you should totally make an investment in your hair, especially if you want your hair to shine, if you want it to be really nice and healthy, and also save time. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull all of my hair up into a high ponytail. Use this tie here and just wrap it around, just like that. Oh, look at these curls. Curls, glorious curls. Pretty, pretty, pretty. But see, we want this to be a date night look, right? So I want to make this really nice and romantic. And how I do that is I'm just going to take out some little, what do you call it, tendrils. Oh, nice and romantic. And then I'm just going to start placing my curls the way I want them placed. These curls are amazing, and I love the way they don't have frizz to it. So I'm just gonna gather my curls like this, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put another rubber band over it, like that. Oh my gosh, look at this. So to finish this look, I am actually gonna be using some edge control, just to kind of get some baby hair going. Yes. Okay, let me go to the other side. Just kind of slick these edges down, make it even more romantic for date night. Yes, girl. You are ready to go on your date. So there you have it, my curly, no frizz hair look. That's perfect for date night. And a special thanks to Dyson for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this episode. And make sure you follow Tia Mowry's Quick Fix for future episodes.